Good morning everyone, it's me again for the last 5 on Friday. We are super excited to welcome students back to Uppingham next week. It has been far too long. For those who are unable to return, keep your eyes peeled. The sports department have something up their sleeves to keep you active, engaged and most importantly, part of our community. Today we have a group of girls from Johnson's taking us through some useful tennis skills. A huge well done to all involved, and when we get to the summer term you can teach me a few things. Stay tuned afterwards, Mr Cooke will be showing us how to make chocolate and vanilla protein energy balls. See you soon, bye bye!
Here is the Johnson's lockdown tennis video. Enjoy!
Hello, welcome to the next installment of 5 on Friday. In this video I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter and vanilla energy balls. They're a great healthy snack to have post-workout. The first step is to mix all the dry ingredients together. The dry ingredients are 2 cups of oats, half a cup of mixed fruits, half a cup of mixed nuts and the optional scoop of protein powder. Next step is we need to heat the peanut butter and honey together before adding it to the dry mix. We're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of peanut butter and 3 tablespoons of honey. Now we need to add the heated peanut butter and honey to the dry mix. Now we're going to add a cup of milk. And now we just need to mix all the ingredients together. The final stage is to roll the mixture into multiple ball shapes. Now place your energy balls in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours to set.